Well, hey, I am DC, creator and host of Barside Jive, and welcome to my daily dose of rock music history. On this amazing freaking Sunday. Chewbacca's here. No way. Chew freaking Bacca from Star Wars, man. That's too cool. Anyway. Where was I? Today is Sunday, November 10th, 2019. Did I tell you that? Okay, guys, you are witnessing. Remember those movies back when we were kids? You are there. It's December 7th, 1941, and you are there. I dug those movies, though. They were cool. I liked movies in school because, like, they took up time that we didn't have to be doing other crap. That was horrible. Anyway, back to my story. You are witnessing my Carnival of Love Tour Day 31. Wow, man, time's just speeding by, isn't it? Guys, it's going to be like Thanksgiving in like, what, a couple of weeks? And then Christmas in like another few weeks. It's like, whoa. Let's hold up. Let's slow down. Slow this car down. Woo! Anyway, I am coming at you live worldwide from
Selena Gomez.
Selena Gomez. No, that can't be right. Hey, I am street side today, guys, if you can't tell. There's the sign. Street. Yeah. These old cars, they rev up their motors for me. Oh, man. What a great day, though, seriously. It is a gorgeous day. Reminds me of a woman I know. Gorgeous. Inside and out. Woo! Anyway, let's talk some rock and roll. It's a flashback. Jefferson airplane, yeah. Stir up some controversy on the Smothers Brothers show. Anybody remember that one? If you do, comment below. I don't think I remember it. Anyway, when Grace Slick appearing in blackface, yeah, guys, her and Justin Trudeau had a little in common, as well as others. Blackface gives the Black Power fist salute at the end of Crown of Creation on this day, 1968. Man, that was a huge deal back then, I guess, right? Shame I wasn't around to know. Okay, hey, I just got to warn you, this is going to be a really short day. Short day. On this day in 1979, the Eagles, not because I planned it that way, just because there wasn't a lot of shit that happened on this day that was like, you know, notable. Seriously. So on this day, 1979, the Eagles had a #1 song with a tune that was co-written by none other than Bob Seger. Yeah, guys, Bob Seger co-wrote the song Heartache Tonight. Heartache Tonight. It only reached number 40 in the UK, if you can believe that. And that song was a hit here in America. America. Right? Ooh, I'm getting a little wind blown here. I need a brush and a mirror. Okay. Boy George. Remember Boy George? Man, he was like huge on MTV, right? He announced on this day in 2013 that he was reforming the Creature Club. I just kidding. Culture Club. To record a new album called Tribes in early 2015 on the band's own label. I bet some people dug that. Anyhow. Oh, it's my last one, guys. I told you it's going to be a short day. Short day. On this day, 2018, a spokesman from the White House announced that President Donald Trump had selected Elvis Presley as one of this year's recipients for the Presidential Medal of Freedom. That's right, guys. Elvis Presley. The medal is recognized as the nation's highest civilian honor, awarded to those whom the president believes made a meritorious contribution to the security or national interest of the United States, to world peace, or to cultural or other significant public or private endeavors. Hell, that's me. I should get that. I mean, what I do has been significant, right? I mean, if it's been significant, comment below. I want to know. Jeez. Yeah, I could hang that on my wall. Presidential Medal of Freedom.
The Flintstones.
She said something Flintstone. I don't think it was Fred. Was it Wilma? Wasn't that Fred's wife, Wilma? I can't remember, guys, but she said Flintstone something. Maybe she said Fred. I didn't sound like Fred. It sounded more like something else. I don't know. Anyway, guys, it's that time where I have to wrap my dose. But man, what a great week in music I had, right? Man, a great week. Tommy Katona was on Tuesday. Damn. Yeah, and I had Fifth Phoenix on Thursday. And then I had Taylor D and Chad on Wednesday.
J.R. Ewing.
J.R. freaking Ewing, right. Dallas, right. Who shot J.R.? Wow. And then I had on Friday, I had Bradley Banning out at Sloan and Williams Winery in Old Town Louisville. And then I got to see Taylor D and Chad perform Friday night at Sloan and Williams. Man, what a great week in music. And I've got amazing week coming up this week too. I mean, they you know, just when you think it can't get any better, it gets like crazy better. So it's like, not the weeks previous weren't great. They're all great, but they just keep getting great. I mean, all right, guys. But that does wrap my rock history lesson today. Dry those eyes. Yeah. Dry those eyes, because there's more coming from me to you very soon, like tomorrow. And every day. Because you know this to be true. I peel back those pages. I do, of my rock history book. I peel back those pages and I bring you more from the past of the rock legends on my daily dose of rock music. If you would like to go check out my archives, my daily dose archives, see what happened on other days in history, just go to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Barside Jive Live. Check out that daily dose playlist. And while you're there, click that big ass red subscribe button too, will you? That's a very cool thing if you do it. And it'll send you alerts when I post something new. And you know, it's just you're joining our little community there, so it's cool. It's a cool thing to do. And also, I cover rock news and history during my weekly live Tuesday and Thursday shows at the Vocal Media Studios in North Dallas. Both those 60-minute shows are packed full of music. Yep, baby. Including nationally touring singer-songwriters, as well as some of the very best, and I do mean that, tribute cover bands in the whole U.S. of A. I do that during my live music showcase. Of course, I also bring you my Tipsy Gypsy, Bree Akers. She brings tips and drinks from behind the bar. And then my visual art segment, which I call Art Jive Live, feature Brad Jensen, artist extraordinaire, and other creatives. So join us at vocalnow.com, and remember, it's vocal with a what letter?
K.
That's right, because vocal didn't know how to spell. They spelled it with a K instead of a C. No, I'm just kidding. I'm sure there's a valid reason they didn't put a C in there. I don't know what it is, but I know it had to be a good reason, because it confuses the hell out of people. But it's vocal with a K. You should be used to it by now. You should. And when you get to that vocalnow.com at 7:30 p.m. on a Tuesday or Thursday, all you got to do is look for my Barside Jive image. Be at the top of the app or at the top of the browser. Just click on it. It's right beside the zoo. Just click on it. Yeah. It's just that easy. Anyway, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Absolutely. So this week coming up, guys, got a Tuesday, Thursday show, 7:30 at Vocal. We got a Wednesday show down in the Design District in Dallas. Come shop. Come shop for those one-of-a-kind gifts. 4 to 8. 4 to 8. And then on Friday, I'll be at Sloan and Williams Winery once again. 6 to 7 is the show. Afterwards, live music. Lots of live music. Ooh, I hope the weather is this awesome on next Friday. Oh my gosh. Because that patio will be rocking, just like last Friday. And actually, it was kind of cold. But you know, when you got 48 heaters on that patio, I mean, you stay toasty. Guys, if you want to support the show, what we do financially, because we're always buying better software, another camera, whatever, saving for gear. PayPal.me /Barside Jive Live is the place to go. You can contribute even $1 or more. $1's great though. We'll put it to good use. I do appreciate you guys hanging here with me. Also your loves, likes, shares, comments. Love those comments. Those are what make all this worthwhile, guys, is your feedback, your response, your support. Yeah, really, that's truth. Be sure to check out my Facebook page, facebook.com /Barside Jive Live. My Instagram is at Barside Jive. Oh, it's that sweet couple. It's couple day. It's couple skate out here. Love. Yeah, they're all in love. Sweet. My website, barsidejive.com, and my YouTube channel, youtube.com /Barside Jive Live. Check it out, and all my content, it's all there. I post it all there after we do it. Hey guys, remember to don't drink and drive. Don't text and drive either. Seriously. It's a bad thing for you. It's a bad thing for the ones around you. It's a bad thing for your loved ones. It's a bad thing for me. Just don't do it. And seek every day to be a hero in somebody's life. Got a new week to start doing that. Start tomorrow, if not today. Start tomorrow being a hero in somebody's life. It's easy. Just reach out. Yep. It's just that easy. Okay, guys, I guess I'm out of here. Looks like my hair made it through my nose. It's a mess. It's windy. It's windy. I can't do a damn thing with it. Anyway, I gotta go. I got stuff to do. So we will see you guys soon. Peace, love, and rock and roll, guys. Rock and roll. Always rock and roll. Good night, Bill.
I'm thinking of you too.
Is you ready, Skicat?
What's up, Doc?
Here's Johnny. Have mercy.
By the way, if you guys did experience some head, neck, or back tingles during this show and have an overwhelming sense of a deep, relaxing feeling, be advised that my content now does contain ASMR.
This isn't just a word from the sponsor, it's simply a very good suggestion. It stands for real refreshment.
That's BarsideJiveLive.com.
You are feeling the tingles. Calling these kinds of whispers inaudible whispers, inaudible whispers.
This is the best time to put the lotion on the skin.
You are so juicy. Your brains. Most tasty brains I've ever had.